In this video, we are going to see how can we set up the autosave feature in Microsoft Excel. The autosave feature kicks in when you forget to save your work in Microsoft Excel. So if that feature is enabled, Microsoft Excel automatically creates a copy of your work, so you don't have to redo all the things that you've done in the past. You can automatically recover that file and use it. So let's see how can we do that. The steps are pretty simple. You need to go to this file tab, and here you have this options where you can click on to bring up this kind of a dialog box. Now remember one thing, these steps work not only for Excel but for Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and basically any Microsoft Office product. So if you are facing a similar situation not only in Excel but in any of those products, you can follow these steps. Now in this Excel options dialog box, you got to go to this save option. Here you can see that we have some options called auto recover or related to auto recovery, right? So here we have this option, save auto recover information every some minutes. So make sure that this is checked, and not only it is checked but the time interval is set to either 5 or 10 minutes, because more than that it would recover the information, it would save the information, but most of the work you have done would have been lost if the time interval is too much. So 10 minutes is maximum, that's good. If you want every 5 minutes, you can just toggle it using these arrow bars like this, okay? But I'm gonna keep it at 10. The next thing you want to keep in mind is make sure that this option is keep the last autosaved version if I close without saving is turned on, so that if you accidentally close your Microsoft Excel without saving, then also the Microsoft Excel automatically autosaves your file, autosaves your work. Now where you would find this work, this is the location where exactly you will find your work. You can copy this location or keep this in your mind, or just go to this options tab whenever you want and go to this location to recover your saved work. Then that's pretty much it. You can click on OK and you would be good to go with all the autosave options put into place. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.